Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So again, my house is trashed. Surprise! So if you need some cleaning motivation, this is going to be a video for you. This is going to be a realistic power hour kind of speed clean. It's 12:22. My one daughter is sleeping. My other daughter is here, and I have about 45 minutes, not even, before I have to put my daughter down, and also I have a live to do at 1 o'clock. So we're gonna see how much we can get done. I'm gonna show you guys the before, and then make sure you wait till the end to see the after. Okay, you guys, so normally I clean up as I go, especially in the morning, because I can't stand this, but it was a crazy morning. So this is real life messes. Then I'm gonna come over here into my dining area. Like, you guys, this just kind of happened. I don't even know. My computer needs to stay there, as I do have some editing to do. If I can get that while the girls are napping, then great, but yeah. And then over here, these two items are being picked up. I sold them, and then, like, yeah, so that's that. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off in the kitchen, and the first thing I'm gonna do is unload the dishwasher, as these are clean, and I wasn't able to do that, which I normally do in my morning routine, but again, we were just kind of running behind, and I had to drop some things off for my husband at work, so it just kind of got left away. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up and refill the dishwasher before cleaning the kitchen table. I would love to know how many times your dishwasher goes a day. Sometimes mine goes up to 3 times a day. I think it's crazy the amount of dishes we go through. Let me know if your family's the same, and I would love to know how big your family is. Alright guys, moving on into the dining area, it is time to clear the table and get these dishes into the sink. Alright, now that the kitchen dining table is cleared and everything is brought into the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and finish loading up the dishwasher and start doing the dishes as well. And if you're new here, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and join our growing YouTube community. I love to create homemaking, lifestyle, organization, and cleaning motivation, and so if that is your kind of thing, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button. And I love connecting and getting to know you guys a little bit more, so I would love for you to share in the comments where you were from. And if you don't know and you're new here, I'm from Canada. I live just outside of Toronto, and I actually recently moved across the country just over a year ago from Saskatchewan. Could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Maybe one night you can play the hero, even if I know it's only for show. Let me know in the comments what room in your house needs to be cleaned in order for you to like remain sane. For me, it is my kitchen. I just love a clean kitchen, and I honestly can't handle dishes in my sink. I think it's the waitress in me. I don't really know, but I would love to hear what room that is for you.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue.
Alright guys, it is all clean now. You will see I leave my dishes to air dry. I never dry them, so that's that. And I'm gonna bring you guys here. Like, should I change these? Again, we're just renting this house if you're new here, but I literally want to like paint these and like rehandle them and like do all that jazzmatazz, because this kitchen just drives me up the wall. And if I had it my way, I would put some backsplash in there and I would paint up there. So let me know in the comments, would you do the same, or is it just like not that big of a deal? Literally, like the only issue is I don't know how long we're gonna be here, so I don't know if it's worth it for me to do it, or if I should just let it go. I've let it go for over a year now. And I wish I would have done it a year ago, and I don't know if I'm gonna continue to say that. Like, you know, it's just, yeah, I don't know what to do. Let me know in the comments what you would do if you would change it all. Let me know what you would change, what you would add. Maybe you have like specifics. But yeah, let me know. I would love to hear your guys' opinions on that. All right guys, moving back into the dining area. It is now time to just finish cleaning off the table and wiping it down before I go ahead and do my live.
Once felt I'm done with the defense, drove back and climbed over your fence, had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders, I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change, 'cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzy.
I have to go do my live, so that's all I could get done for right now. So moving on, later in the afternoon here, Lily is awake and still in her jammies. She wanted to stay in her jammies all day. I don't know what that was about, but anyway, we are moving on to the living room area, and I am just tidying this up really quickly before I head and do some laundry. I like to do 1 load of laundry a day. It just kind of keeps things at bay. And so it is now time to switch the laundry over and then start folding the load that was in the dryer. I'm going to be doing a laundry routine, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. That's on my channel. And if you like cleaning videos like this, if you haven't already, please make sure you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you join our growing YouTube family.
They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside, so right, we stood there all wide-eyed, you and I, floating on air in my mind.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. and keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain.
Okay, it is now evening time and I wanted to show you guys my favorite fruit dips. So I eat this as a bedtime snack, like literally all the time. You need 1 brick of cream cheese, this marshmallow fluff. I buy the big containers and then put in about half a container with 1 brick of cream cheese. If you find the small container, you can use a whole container per 1 brick of cream cheese. You mix the 2 ingredients together. If you want, you can add a little like teaspoon or so of vanilla, which isn't totally necessary. And this is literally the best fruit dip ever. I get asked about it all the time whenever I take it to a potluck, and I just think it is so good. Obviously not the healthiest thing for you, but it's amazing.
I really wanted to get it right.
Next, I wanted to show you my meatballs that I made. So I just whipped up some ground beef with some egg, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, some garlic, and some onions. And I just whipped these up really, really quickly. You just roll them into balls and then flash freeze them. So these make the perfect meatballs and they just make such an easy recipe. I will have the full recipe linked in the description, but I just go ahead and make these, and then they're great to throw either with like spaghetti and meatballs, or if you just have meatballs in the crock pot, or if you just want a quick, easy, healthy lunch. These are really great to warm up in the oven, or even just fry up on the stove or whatever.
What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned.
Once they're flash freezed, you can go ahead and take them out and put them in the bag so that they don't stick together. All right, everybody, that is it for today's Power Clean with me. I hope that this gave you some cleaning motivation that you need. And if you like cleaning videos like this, make sure you give this a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle and organizational videos and that sort of thing. And we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.